Hello and good morning. How are you feeling?
I'm not even high yet, y'all, and I'm lifted.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good. I'm wearing my braids, but I'm feeling good.
So, washing my face.
I'm opening up my pores.
I want you guys to see the process.
Like this, like so.
And then,
So this is the moisturizer. Oh no, this is the Fenty Skin Total Cleanser.
I'm putting a bit on my fingertips.
Rubbing them together. Water. Hitting my face. It feels like silk.
Oh, I'm sorry. I hit the button. Don't want to be too harsh. It feels totally clean. So we pat totally clean. Soaking up all the cleanser.
Okay, so now that we are totally clean,
I really need to get that ring out.
there was a little bit of cleanser.
So it's a twist, and then you squeeze like a toothpaste. It's beads. I know you don't like the residue on top. So now what we're gonna use, like just like so.
Just cleanser off my nose.
You know, sometimes your nose holds dirt. It's like it's a part of your face, so like everything hits.
This is the fat water.
This is a 2-in-1 product, like all of the products.
The first being the cleanser and a makeup remover, but
Baby, this is natural.
and then this is a toner and a serum. So we're gonna tone, even our skin tone and moisturize.
Just light the
Put some
mouth.
of those wrinkles and those tough areas right onto our
Skin, right onto the face. You know, I just try to get all of it in my beard too, just because that is skin underneath.
And I might have cut that shit off some.
I'm trying not to use that word.
Now that I have my
Serum, and my skin is toned.
to perfection, boom, I'm going to turn off the water.
Look, turn off the water. This is the lesson. Turn off the water. The planet. We gotta save the planet. Okay? Now back to the face routine.
So this is the Hydrovisor Moisturizer, Invisible Moisturizer, Broad Spectrum SPF 30. Baby, this is a sunscreen.
Fenty Skin. I love the packaging. The packaging is beat.
Those rays can be damaging. So make sure you're using an SPF every day, especially in the morning before you hit the sun.
Pump cap.
I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3.
Look, I gotta make this little starter kit work, girl. So
3 pumps.
Onto the face. Yes. I feel alive. I feel awake. The fragrance is lifting me. I'm lifted.
I don't need this one no more.
now my face is moisturized like back with Riri. And I'm feeling like I'm about to eat this day. How do you feel?